Here is a Kami notebook, and you'll notice that there's different tabs. So the first step was I developed this in Google Slides. We first review what is Kami. So this can be a great introduction, professional learning. I've also seen different coaches use this throughout the entire year. Well, they'll introduce different tools to teachers once a week in a quick 15-minute PD. So again, there's different pages that you're able to add whatever kind of resources you need onto these pages. Once you have your notebook the way that you want it, you're going to come into your Google Classroom or Canvas or Schoology, and you're going to create it as a Kami assignment. Once you create that as a Kami assignment, this is where the magic happens as a coach. You'll invite your teachers in as people. You'll use Open Class View, and this is where I can see all of my students or all of my educators' notebooks, and they can take notes. There is a Give It a Go area as well. This notebook, I took out all of the pages because what I wanted to do is I wanted to come in on here, and I'm going to take a screenshot of this page right here where it talks about accessing Kami. And I'm going to go back to my notebook. I'm going to click on this green button right here. So again, this notebook is kind of blank where this one has me building it out. And as I'm ready to add that page in for my students, I'm able to come into that page and I can hit Add Media and I can upload that photo from my computer. So there's that screenshot. Now all I have to do is resize it. And now that I'm done resizing it, I can click Update All. When I click Update all of my students or all of my educators are going to get those pages. You do need to have the pages already assigned to your students. So once I update that page to all of those teachers, when they log into their Kami and go to that page, they'll only see the material that we're going to be learning about. They've got this passage right here. They're learning about how they can access Kami. And again, once I'm ready to give them that next page, I click on that green button, I take a screenshot of that page, and then they can add that in. You'll notice that there's activities for them to reflect, a FRIR model for them to add ideas. There's even areas where it says give it a go, where they're able to really test out Kami and give it a go to see what they've learned. So I can't wait to see how you adapt and what you decide to add into the Kami notebook.